2024, Visy made history in New Zealand, the first country we operate in, to hit our target of 70% recycled glass in our locally made bottles and jars. And 12 months on, in 2025, we've hit that target again, producing glass packaging with an average of 70% recycled glass. Over 700 million glass bottles a year, made right here in Auckland, for New Zealand's world-class wineries and food and beverage brands. Now more than ever, a local, secure supply chain matters. Global uncertainty reminds us that New Zealand's wine industry can't afford to depend on offshore suppliers for something as fundamental as the bottle itself. Visy keeps New Zealand making, growing and exporting with some of the most sustainable glass packaging in